What's up, everybody from Atami, right beside Tokyo. I'm Jason Rupp, and this is
Carla Marie Rupp.
Hello. Yeah, that's my mommy. I'm about to get an ear cleaning here at Kita Barbershop. Here it is. It's a Sunday. It's really quiet. Let's go in. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get my ear cleaning. Okay, I actually really need this. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is great. Japanese ear cleaning. Oh, ear hair shaving. Wow. Oh, she's getting deeper. Oh, she's really fast. Is it so much?
First time? This?
No.
No?
It's so big? Good. Actually feels really good. I don't see the wax. I want to see it. Wow, it feels pretty good actually. It's like 100x of a Q-tip. Nothing really hurts. It's just a real sensitive area.
じゃあ起こします。アップして。
Okay. Okay, I'm getting up.
はいどうも。はい、OK です。
Okay, finish.
OK, finish.
Okay, that's my Japanese ear cleaning. Akita Barbershop with Fukue.
福へ。
Fukue.
福へ。
Okay, good. All right, that was great. What do you think of my ears? She shaved them. It's all shaved.
クリーン。
Clean.
OK
Oh, thank you. I need that. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
はい。
Okay, let me do this outro. Mommy, how you doing there?
Great.
She's pretty great.
Oh,
she's
she's
pretty
really
awesome. I think
nice.
she's a winner.
OK? お疲れ様。
All right, let me do this outro for y'all. All right, so that was Fukue and Kita Barbershop in Atami. Just a couple hours outside of Tokyo. It's a hot springs town, sushi town. It's just famous to go get a peaceful walk around, and it's right by the sea. Wow, we had some really good food here. It's been an awesome stay. Mommy, what do you think of Atami?
I have been enjoying it so much.
Me too.
I love it.
I love it too.
Great seaside town.
Such peaceful streets to walk around. I love it. In the comment section, can everybody tell me where you're watching from? Okay, we're gonna look down below and everybody can tell me where. It'll be really interesting for me and everybody out there. I want to thank you all for watching. Wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Remember the love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
So it's now keep Jason handsome all of the time. Keep Jason making videos up there online. It ain't easy.
Nuh-uh.
It ain't easy. It ain't easy. But we try.
You got to.
When you run a famous channel, amongst all other things, you must listen to the audience. You gotta hear the things. Can't forget to pluck your hairs and Chinese ear cleanings. He can take it.
I can do it.
Keep Jason handsome all of the time. Keep Jason making videos up there online. It ain't easy.
Uh-uh.
No, it ain't easy. It ain't easy, but we try.
Amen, amen.
Make Jason into a handsome Kansas man. Kansas to Thailand to New York.